Ready to dive into 3D but you're not sure where to start? Let's make sure you don't make mistakes most beginners tend to do. In this video I'll be sharing to you essential tips from industry artists, veterans and myself included, so you can kick off your 3D career with confidence. By the end of this video you will have a clear path to follow, knowing exactly what to focus on what to avoid, the common pitfalls, and how you can fast-track your progress. Now, starting with 3D can be overwhelming. So many software, so many skills, so many opinions, so many techniques. But don't worry, I've been there before. And today I want to share my years of experience and some of other artists and colleagues. All of these lessons that you can take like an advice, okay? So, if you get it right, you will save months of frustrations, you will be in strong fundamental skills, and you're gonna be in the path of success. But if you get it wrong, you're gonna be stuck, overwhelmed, and sometimes, or you're gonna give up even before you can see your true potential. I'll walk you through the most important things that you need to know before you start. From mastering the core skills, to avoiding the perfectionism, and understanding when to focus on quality versus quantity. Before we dive into the details, let's talk about 3 key features every beginner should focus on. 1. Focus and specialization. One of the biggest mistakes every beginner makes on the early stage is learning everything. And by that, you're gonna be learning nothing. If you spread too wide, you're not gonna get all the knowledge that you can get from just focusing on one thing. And don't get me wrong on this. After you get your 3D general knowledge, start specializing into something. Could be texturing, sculpting, modeling. This not only is going to help you to get better faster, but it's also going to make you more marketable. Some of my professors used to tell me, you should focus your attention in one area and don't dig the rabbit hole. And that prevents myself to spread the thing. Number 2, core skills and master. Drawing, sculpting, and even basic texturing aren't just nice to have skills. They are critical for developing your eye to the detail, and in some cases problem-solving skills. These fundamental skills will set you apart and make 3D learning software much easier. Number 3, quality versus quantity. We hear this a lot. Perfectionism can be a huge barrier at the beginning, but the more you practice is the more you learn. On your early stages, try to make the most mistakes as possible, because with every mistake or with every small project that you're going to be making, you're going to be learning more. And by the time that you finish making all these small projects, you're going to get all the skills, all your power-ups, so you can make a better final project. When I learned in 3D, my whole group was making one single project for 5 months, and other groups, they were making several different projects. And by the final submission, they present 5 different projects plus the final submission, and my group present just one project that we all did together, and we just present one thing, 10 persons. In the end, yes, I learned the basics, but I didn't have as much practice as some other groups. And also, their final submissions, the quality bar was so high, and it was more attractive to see so different projects from different persons than just one same project from 10 persons. 4. It's the feedback and ego. Putting your work out there, seeking feedback is really important. It's gonna make you grow faster, but also it can be scary sometimes. When you put so much time into one project, it's easy to get attached to it. But learning to accept criticism, or the thick skin layer, without letting you affect you, is crucial for you to be a better you. In many aspects, not just in 3D. This touches a little bit the importance of humility and to be open to the feedback. Remember that most of the times the feedback is towards your artwork, not to you. But if someone is messing with you, you know that that's not feedback, just pointing fingers. I highly recommend to get surrounded by those persons that you feel safe and confident with, or communities. And speaking about communities, you can check mine on the comments. If you master this skill, trust me, your level up is gonna be faster and easier, because you can be learning from some other one's mistake when they are pointing how to improve yours. So we just covered the importance of focusing your efforts, mastering your core skills, and balancing quality over quantity. The most crucial role, the feedback. Each of these steps is fundamental for you to have the solid base for your 3D journey. Remember that the key of success in 3D is not the talent, it's about the practice. It's about the strategy and consistency. And of course, being open to learning from success and failure. Well, the more you fail, the more you're gonna learn, but It's also nice to get some W's from time to time. Take one step at a time and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Now, let me know what you're focusing on the comments below, and also make sure to check the resources and links that I'm letting you on the comment section. And I will see you on the next one. Someone just decided to activate the alarm. Once again, there we go.